In a data-rich world, you need a connectivity solution that performs just for you. But whether it's a new site or one-off event, connecting users and applications securely at speed can be a challenge. Wi-Fi and local networks may not deliver the performance you need, or there may be no connectivity at all. That's where Vodafone's Mobile Private Networks, or MPNs, come in. We build a local network and deliver it to your door, or your stadium, racetrack, or desert destination. By simply driving up, plugging in, and connecting your devices with trusted, high-performing connectivity. From the factory floor to the sports field, our MPN can power seamless data sharing, video camera feeds, remote training, and geofencing. So you can test new applications and devices, no wiring or Wi-Fi required. And when you're ready to move on, so are we. Think of us as your on-demand, out-of-the-box, high-performance comms hub, empowering your business no matter where it takes you. With Vodafone Business MPN, you get guaranteed network capacity, high-speed, low-latency performance, scalability, and security, all from an experienced MPN partner. Imagine what's possible with Vodafone Business.